Good morning, students. This video is for class LKG and subject picture study. Okay. So students, take out your picture study book and go through page number 15. 15. Okay. You can see here. Today we are going to read about birds. Okay. Today we will discuss about birds. So let's start. BIRDS, birds. You can see there are many birds. Okay. And the first one is, you can see, pigeon. This bird is pigeon. Now read the spelling. PIGEON, pigeon. PIGEON, pigeon. Okay. And this is an eagle. This bird is eagle. EAGLE, eagle. EAGLE, eagle. Okay. This is a penguin. This bird is penguin. PENGUIN, penguin. PENGUIN, penguin. Okay. This bird is ostrich. This bird is ostrich. OSTRICH, ostrich. OSTRICH, ostrich. Okay. This one is crow. This one is crow. CROW, crow. CROW, crow. Okay. This one is, this little bird is sparrow. SPARROW, sparrow. SPARROW, sparrow. Okay. This one is hen. This bird is hen. HEN, hen. Okay. This one is swan. SWAN, swan. SWAN, swan. Clear? This beautiful bird is peacock. This one is peacock. PEACOCK, peacock. Again, PEACOCK, peacock. Clear? And this bird is parrot. This one is parrot. PARRROT, parrot. PARRROT, parrot. Clear? And the last one is duck. You can see this bird is duck. DUCK, duck. DUCK, duck. Clear? So students, again I am going to repeat. Pigeon, eagle, penguin, ostrich, crow, sparrow, hen, peacock, parrot, swan, duck. Clear? Now, my dear students, your work is, you will have to read the chapter and you will have to learn at least 5 birds' name. Clear? That's it. Thank you.